guys, so let's solve for x and y simultaneously. You have 2x plus y equals to 3 here, is your first equation, and then you have y squared plus xy equals to 2 is the second equation. So they say solve for x and y simultaneously. So what you have to do, guys, you just have to solve for y first from the first equation, since it's in linear form, so it's the simplest one. So you're going to have y equals to 3 minus 2x. So you just took this 2x to the right hand side, so you're going to take this as equation 3. So after this, guys, let's just come and sub equation 3 into equation 2. So this means everywhere in equation 2 where you have y, you're going to put 3x minus 2x, since it equates to that. So you're going to have 3 minus 2x all squared plus x into y, which is 3 minus 2x. All these equates to 2, guys. It's very simple, guys. Just open your brackets now. 3 minus 2x, open brackets, 3 minus 2x plus, now we're going to multiply everything here. So it's going to be x times 3, which is going to give us 3x, and then x times negative 2x, which is going to give us 2x squared. All this equals to 2, guys. That was very simple. Now here we're going to have 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we have 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6x. Then we're going to have negative 2x times 3, which is going to be negative 6x. We're going to have negative 2x times negative 2x, which is going to be positive 4x. Since it's negative times negative, is going to give us positive. And then plus 3x minus 2x squared. Then I'm going to take this 2 from the right hand side to the left hand side. Since it's positive, that side is going to change to negative 2. All this equals to 0, guys. Now we just add the like terms. You have 9 minus 2 here, so we're going to have 9 minus 2, which is 7. Then you have negative 6x minus 6x. Just add that on calculator. Negative 6x minus 6x plus 3x. So that's like negative 6 minus 6 is going to be negative 12 plus 3. Negative 12 plus 3 is same as 3 minus 12, which is negative 9x, guys. I don't know if you're still with me. And then you have 4x. Sorry, this is supposed to be 4x squared. You have 4x squared minus 2x squared. So 4x squared is the same here. Yes, so 4x squared minus 2x squared is going to give us positive 2x squared, guys, equals to 0. So we can rewrite this in a proper way. We have 2x squared minus 9x plus 7. All this equals to 0. So now you just have to come and solve for x. From this quadratic equation, let me just come and rewrite it again here. So it's 2x squared minus 9x plus 7 equals to 0. So you're just going to use quadratic equation to solve these. So we have x equals to negative b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. All these divided by 2a. So guys, this is the quadratic formula. So if you don't know about quadratic formula, you can just comment, then I'll show you how it was derived. So our b in this quadratic equation, it's negative 9 plus or minus root of b squared, which is still negative 9 all squared minus 4a, which is 2, and then our c, which is 7, guys. This is very simple, guys. And then you have all these divided by 2a, and our a, you know, guys, is 2. So just punch that on your calculator, guys. You're going to have, why is it not writing? you're going to have x equals to 7 over 2, or x equals to 1. So now you have your factors. Just have to come put brackets here. Since here say x is equals to 7 over 2, it means when you put it on the brackets, it has to be 2x minus 7, and then there, since it says x is equals to 1, here in brackets it's going to be x minus 1. Then you simplify further, guys, equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. Then you'll have 2x equals to 7, or x equals to 1. Then here x, you divide both sides by 2, and to cancel that side, x will be equals to 7 over 2, right, guys? So now you have your x values. Now you are left with your y values. Remember the equation says solve for y, solve for x and y simultaneously. So now we have our x values. We have to solve for y. So how do you solve for y? Remember, already you had equation number 3. So what you have to do now, you just have to take all these x values that you got here and substitute them in your equation 3 to get y. So let's go and do that. Remember, let me just rewrite our third equation. It says y equals to 3 minus 2x. And see, so now you just firstly y equals to 3 minus 2 when x is 7 over 2, or y is equals to 3 minus 2 when x is 1. You see, guys, simple. Then here we're going to have 3 minus 2. Then this is going to cancel this. You're going to have 3 minus 7, or y equals to 3 minus 2 times 1 is the same as 3 minus 2, because 2 times 1 it's as 2. And then here you're going to have 3 minus 7, which is y equals to -4, or y equals to 3 minus 2, which is 1, guys. See you on the next one. Thank you. Follow and like.